The topic is finding parametric equations of a line in space. So let's do the first example. Question A, find parametric equations of a line that passes through the points A equal -1, 3, 2 and B equal 2, 4, -1. Alright, definition is right here. The parametric equations, first we need to know a point P0 equal x0, y0. So let's call our first point x0, y0, z0. And then we need a vector parallel to the line, v. But in this case, we're not given a vector that's parallel to the line. However, we know if we call this x1, y1, z1, we know the vector v, we could use the vector v equal ab, right? Which is, well, let me do it here. AB will be what? Will be x1 minus x0, which is 2 minus -1, and then y1 minus y0, which is 4 minus 3, and then z1 minus z0, which is -1 minus 2. So we have a vector v, even though it's not given, we found one that's parallel to the line. 2 minus -1 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, -1 minus 2 is -3. Alright, so again, if you notice, this is what we call A, B, C, and then we have x0, y0, z0. So parametric equations will be x equal, let me rewrite it, x0 plus at, y equal y0 plus bt, z equal z0 plus ct. So all we're going to do is plug in. My x0 happens to be -1, so -1 plus 3t, a is 3, so plus 3t. Y is equal, my y0 is 3, so 3 plus bt, b is 1, so 1 times t is t. And z equal z0, which is 2, plus c, which is -3, plus -3 is -3t. Alright, so those are the parametric equations. Now for question B, we need to find symmetric equations. Symmetric equation means just solve for t, right? So if you solve for t, this is what you're going to get, x minus x0 over a, and so on. So if we solve here for t, we're going to get x plus 1 over 3. So x plus 1 over 3 will be equal to, solve for t, you get 3 equal y minus 3. So that would be y minus 3, which is going to be equal, solve for t, t will be z minus 2 over -3. So those are symmetric equations. Now, at what point does this line intersect the yz plane? Now, we know in yz plane, x is equal to 0. So if you plug it here, we're going to get 0 plus 1 over 3 will be equal y minus 3 will be equal z minus 2 over -3. So all we have to do is, let me do it in 2 steps. So if we look at this, we can solve for y. Y will be 1/3 plus 3, so y will be 1 over 3 plus 3, which is 1 plus 3, 10 over 3, so that's the y value. Now what about z? Z, we need to look at this equal 1 over 3, right? I'm just moving that to this side. So multiply across, z minus 2 times 3, so 3 times z minus 2 will be equal -3 times 1. So distribute 3z minus 6 will be equal -3. So z equal -3 plus 6 over 3, which is 6 minus 3, 3 over 3 is 1. Alright, so I have my x is 0, my y is 10 over 3, my z is 1. So therefore, the point will be x0, y 10 over 3, and z is 1. So this is my point, and that's it for this example.